This is Mark, and in this video I'm going to talk about what features are available on the Empower app. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So they have cash advance that allows you to get up to $250 or more direct to your bank account, and you pay them back the next time you get paid with zero interest and late fees. You get the Empower card, earn 0.01 annual percentage yield with no minimum balance required when you have an Empower card account with them. Get your paycheck out 2 days early and earn up to 10% cashback. Auto save, so set your weekly savings goal and let them figure out how to make it happen for you. They monitor your account balance every day, including the type and speed of cash inflows and outflows, to detect when you get excess cash versus when you're running low on cash. They set aside money in your auto save account when you can afford to do so. Now, they have effortless budgeting. They customize your budget categories and stay on top of your spending 24/7. Set budgets for every aspect of your life and get real-time alerts on paychecks, bills, and purchases. They also recommend smart recommendations, so you can enjoy proactive recommendations on how to earn more and uncover extra savings. They monitor your money and send you updates. Think notifications like bill increase, missed bills, bank fees, credit utilization, and more. They also have credit score monitoring, so you just need to sign up to keep tabs on your credit scores right from their app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.